Welcome to this session. This video addresses Learning Outcome 1. Understand the principles of statistics for analyzing datasets. We will examine how spreadsheet tools such as Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets can be used to conduct simple statistical analysis. By applying essential functions, you will see how raw data can be organized, summarized, and transformed into meaningful insights for informed decision-making. Spreadsheets like Excel and Google Sheets are essential for statistical analysis. They offer robust functionality and accessibility for all users. This guide will outline steps for basic analysis using these tools. Understanding these steps is key to leveraging spreadsheet power. Let's dive into the core functions available. Descriptive statistics are crucial for summarizing data. Functions such as average, median, and mode simplify this process. Use average to find the mean, median for the middle value, and mode for the most frequent number. Standard deviation measures data dispersion. These functions lay the groundwork for deeper analysis. Variance captures data spread by calculating squared deviations. Use var, p for population and var, s for samples. Min and max functions find the smallest and largest dataset values. These functions help identify data, range, and variability. Understanding extremes is vital for comprehensive analysis. Frequency tables summarize data occurrences in specified ranges. Use the frequency function to generate these tables. Pivot tables offer another way to categorize and summarize. They provide counts, sums, and averages by category. These tools simplify complex dataset analysis. Correlation measures relationships between variables. Use the CORREL function to calculate this coefficient. Simple, linear regression involves slope and intercept functions. Visualize these relationships with scatter plots and trend lines. Understanding correlation aids in predicting data trends. Hypothesis testing determines statistical differences between groups. Use t-test for comparing means between two groups. CHISC. Test checks categorical variable independence. These tests validate assumptions and guide decision-making. Proper hypothesis testing is crucial for reliable analysis. Start analysis by inputting data into spreadsheets. Organize data into columns for each variable. This structure facilitates accurate calculations. Proper data input is the foundation of effective analysis. Let's explore how to calculate descriptive statistics. Use spreadsheet functions to calculate descriptive statistics. Average, median, and STEV, S, are key functions. These calculations summarize data effectively. They provide insights into data centrality and spread. Next, let's create a frequency table. Define bins and use the frequency function to count occurrences. Pivot tables can also summarize categorical data. These tools provide detailed data distribution insights. Frequency tables are essential for understanding data patterns. Now, let's move to correlation analysis. Calculate correlation coefficients using the CORREL function. This measures the linear relationship between variables. Regression analysis involves slope and intercept functions. Visualize with scatter plots and trend lines for clarity. Correlation analysis is key for identifying data relationships. Regression analysis calculates relationships between variables. Use slope and intercept functions for linear regression. Visualize results with scatter plots and trend lines. This analysis predicts data trends and informs decisions. Next, we'll explore hypothesis testing. Input monthly sales data for two products. Calculate mean sales using average functions. Determine standard deviation with STDEV. S. Create frequency tables for sales ranges. Analyze correlation and regression for sales and advertising spend. Constructing a pivot table involves several steps. Select a data range with unique headers. Insert a pivot table in a new worksheet. Drag fields into rows, columns, and values areas. Filtering options allow for targeted data analysis. Explore value field settings and summarization options. Sort and group data for organized analysis. Use filters to refine data views. Show values as percentages for relative insights. Pivot tables enhance data analysis capabilities. Lookup functions retrieve data from tables efficiently. VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP find values in columns or rows. Match and index offer more flexible data retrieval. Choose and indirect provide dynamic references. These functions simplify complex data analysis. Conditional functions calculate statistics based on criteria. COUNTIF, SUMIF, and AVERAGEIF are key examples. These functions enable targeted data analysis. They help extract relevant insights from large datasets. Let's conclude by summarizing key points. Conclusion: this brings the video to a close. While we have covered key concepts and techniques, this is only the starting point. Data analysis is a skill developed through curiosity, practice, and continual learning. As you move forward, remember that each dataset presents an opportunity to uncover patterns, generate insights, and support informed decision-making. Your journey into data analysis is just beginning, and the possibilities ahead are vast. If you have any questions, please WhatsApp us at 074843616888. Our team will be delighted to assist you. Thank you for your attention, and see you at the next session.